Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will show how to install the community version or community edition of IntelliJ. Okay, so for Python. So first go to the Google and here write IntelliJ Community Edition. Okay, then go to the official site of the JetBrains to download the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Okay, for Python. Okay, so here this is the community, this is the ultimate edition, and this is the community edition, and we can download exe or zip file. So I want to download the exe file, to press on the download button. So it's showing me thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDE. Your download should start shortly, so wait for some time and install it. Run. Yes. Next. So by default I not change the destination folder. Okay, so I just pressing the next or to install it. Okay, so I create a desktop icon shortcut, next, install. It will take some time to complete the installation. Installation is completed. Now I run the IntelliJ Community Edition and click on the finish. So now you will see that the IntelliJ is successfully installed, and I want to open it and click on do not import setting. Okay, and so the IntelliJ is now launched. This is the license. Okay, I confirm and continue. So there are two UI themes. Okay, you can select, okay, one of them by your own choice. I prefer to use the light one. Okay, next, and click on the next feature plugin, and there are various things that you see, that Scala, IntelliJ Light theme, and various plugins. Okay, you can install it by your own preferences. So I start using the IntelliJ community. So here the IntelliJ is installed successfully. Okay, so now what is the next? I want to install the Python plugin for IntelliJ. Okay, so here I go to the configuration and go to the plugin, you can download the Python plugin, or you can here search the Python plugin. Okay, so first I here search the Python. Based on your internet speed, it will display the various list. Okay, so there is a Python community edition. Okay, so I click on the install button to install the Python plugin to test or write the Python project. Okay, so I press on the install. Okay, so now it will download the Python community for IntelliJ. Okay, once it's downloaded, okay, then we are able to write the Python project in by using the IntelliJ. Okay, so hope you will understand. The plugin is downloaded, so I first restart the IDE to implement it. So click on the restart IDE. Okay, restart. So it will launch again the IntelliJ idea. Okay, and restart it. And here, if I go to the create new project, okay, now in the left side you see that the Python is also mentioned. Okay, so I can create a project of Python here. Okay, so hope this video will help you a lot. In the next video we will talk about the Python, basics of Python, and the first to write a first hello word in Python. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can write in video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn Python or many other informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.